Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this video I will show you that how you can use turtle module in detail. So let's get started. Firstly you have to import turtle and you can set the name of your turtle as you want. I want my turtle's name to be Mike, so Mike equals to turtle. And now let's move our turtle forward at a distance of, let's say, 100. Let's run our code now and see what happens. And you guys can see the screen disappears, and to get rid of that you have to write turtle.done, and now if we run you can see it remains on our screen. Let's add more directions to our turtle. So the turtle have moved forward at a distance of 100. Now we will turn it left at an angle of 90 degrees. As you guys can see, after moving at a distance of 100, the turtle have changed its direction. And I want my turtle to move in this direction at a distance of 100. And let's copy and paste our line that moves the turtle forward. And when I'm gonna run now, you can see the 90-degree angle is formed. I want to make a square, so for that I will copy these two lines and paste it right here. And it will make this shape. One line is remaining to complete our square. So let's paste it again and run the code. You guys can see our square is completed. Now I will tell you one more thing, that instead of copying and pasting it again and again, we can use a loop, for loop. For I in range 4, that means the code that is under this loop will be ran 4 times. So let's indent it and run the code now. As you guys can see, I have written this code 1 time and it has ran 4 times to complete our square. Now let's copy this loop and the code under it and paste it again here. But this time I will change the values here. Let's say 200 and run it now. And you guys can see this shape has formed. Let's close it. Let's remove this code we have copied recently, and I will set a variable here a equals to 6. And instead of for loop, I will tell you that how you can use while loop in this situation. So for while a is not equal to 0, then keep on running these two lines. And let's change the values of these lines from 100 to, let's say, 100 plus 100. After running this code, you guys can see the square has been created and our turtle is following that path. That is because of the while loop. And we can create flowers using while loop. So let's change our angle from 90 to 90 plus a. That will keep on adding a in 90, and you guys can see flower is created. Let's close it now. And remove this code I have recently written. So we can change the colors of this screen or turtle, like turtle.bg color, that stands for background color, to black. And let's write code to make a shape. We can make anything with random values. So Mike will move forward here at a distance of 150, and let's write that Mike should turn left at an angle of, let's say, a random number 75. Okay, when I will run it now, you can see we cannot see our turtle because the color of turtle is also black and the background color is also black. So let's change the color of turtle to white. Turtle dot color, and in quotation marks we will write that color name. So the color will be white, and when I will run now, you can see white turtle has been created. Okay, let's change the turtle to mic, and you can see our shape has been formed and it is a pentagon. So let's say while loop, while a is not equal to 0, then we have to run these lines. So run now, and you can see another flower is formed here. We can do many things with turtle, like different colors, multicolors, and different background colors. So if you want a specific color, like you want a shade, so let's go to Google and type hex colors and select any shade you want, and here I will select the greenish shade, sea greenish color. So as you can see, the hex color for sea greenish color is written below the hex heading. Copy that and go back to PyCharm, and at the place of white you can paste that hex number. And when I'm gonna run it now, you can see sea green colors have been appeared. So I will keep this color of the turtle to blue, and you can see it is changed now. We can select the background color to, let's say, light green. Okay, and you can see the light green background has been appeared, and blue turtle has been appeared. I will keep it to let's say black is fine. And when I will run now, you can see the black turtle has appeared on light green background. So let's create another shapes. You can create heart, flowers, anything you want. So I will make circle here. So mic dot circle, we have to set the radius of circle. So let's say the circle of radius 20. I want my turtle to keep on making circles at different angles. So let the angle be 90 and run it now, and you can see the circles are being formed at different angles. Let's close it now and change the angle to 75, let's say, and you can see that the turtle is making the circles at different angle, and you can see it is a beautiful pattern here. So I want my speed of the turtle to increase. So let's set the mic dot speed equals to 0, let's say. The 0 speed is fast. Okay, and when I will run now, and you can see the turtle is quite fast. And let's create shapes like let's increase the radius of circle to 200 and the angle to 30. You can change it to anything you want, like let's set the radius of circle be 175 and angle be 60 plus 1, and you can see it is a beautiful pattern formed here. That is very amazing pattern. Wow, it's very amazing. And yes, our circle is formed, and I have told you that you can select anything you want. Okay, you can change the colors, the speed, the radius of the circle, the angles, anything you want. Okay, let's cut this and I will make a loop here for I in range, let's say 100, and I will set another loop in it, like for color in we will right here we will create list of colors, and let's say orange, and add another color like let's say magenta, and you can add any color you want. Okay, I am adding that I like white. You can add gray also, and cyan, and one last color I want to add is, let's say it be, what should it be, let's say brown. Okay, in quotation marks you have to write, remember that you have to write in quotation marks, brown. Okay, so our list of the color is created, and you can see if I run it now, you can not see the turtle as I have not assigned the color to this turtle. So mic dot color, and one of the color from this list, so color here, and if I run it now, you should see beautiful colors appearing here, and you can see it is a pretty awesome pattern. I like this pattern, and leave the comment in the comment section whether you liked it or not, and if you have any problem, any doubts relating this video, you may ask in the comment section. So let's import math, and instead of writing angles and different distances, let's play with maths now. Math dot square root of, let's say 75, let's say 750, and here let's say it I mod 5 multiply by 9, let's say. When I'm gonna run it now, you can see this is appearing. Okay, it is because the square root of 750 is a bit short value, and yes, as you guys can see, after changing it to 6, we have another amazing pattern. Let's add the square root, let's say, no, math. First we have to write math dot square root of, let's say 900, and run it now. You can see it appears bigger because we have added the square root of 900 in it also. So that's it. You can change the values, or you can play with maths. Anything you want to do, you can do in the values, and you can see the result of that code. Meanwhile, you can subscribe my channel. Let's set that mic dot pen size, that means the stroke size of the mic turtle is this, and you can see it appears much broader. Okay, let's say that you can add colors that fill color also, like let's say in that mic dot color section, you can write mic dot begin fill, and you can write here mic dot and fill. And what it will do, it will fill in the color in the shape that is formed. So the first entry in this mic dot color section would be stroke, and second would be your fill color. So let's run it now, and you can see the circles are filled and the strokes are also formed. Let's set the pen size value to 1, and you can again see this is great. Let's write here mic dot forward at a distance of, let's say, 86 plus 8, let's say, and here let's write 6 plus 5, and now run our code now, and you can see this is formed. We don't want it as it is half shape, so we will increase the angle, let's say 75, and let it be 86, and you can see a colorful shape, colorful flower is formed here. So when I will run again, you can see it is a beautiful pattern. You can also draw, you can code your pattern and drop it in the comment section, and I will tell whether I like it or not. Okay, so if I change the range of the for loop, it will end soon. So yeah, our code is created now. Let's cut these lines and add another lines that we want. So mic dot forward 100 and mic dot left equals let's say 90 degrees, and you can see it is again created. Let's clear this loop I created and create other shapes. For example, mic dot begin fill and mic dot end fill. That will add fill color to your shape that is formed. And here let's write mic dot forward at a distance of 100 and mic dot left at 90 degree angle, let's say 75. And now I will create for loop for I in range 6, let's say for I in range 25, and in this loop whatever code is written under it will be run 25 times. So let's set mic dot color to, let's say, black. You can see black is the stroke of the mic and sign is the color which is gonna fill, and you can see it is created here. Let's set the background color to light blue, and you can see clearly that our flower is now of cyan color. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.